Entering Germany, Deutschland, here we are, bringing Sophia's friend, February 18, 2024. The holiday of her friend is over, kaya we need to bring her to the train station here in Cologne. Here we are in Cologne train station. Look, it's a lot of people. I think the holiday is over because they have a carnival holiday, so that's why they have a long holiday. And Sophia's friend also, her holiday is over. Andrea. Hi, Andrea. Your holiday is over. You need to go home. And Sophia is crying. Look, it's not really so crowded here in the station. But as you see, there's a lot of people and it's a big station here in Cologne. And waiting, while waiting, Sophia is nag-i-emote. Ayan, Sophia is crying baby. Need to say goodbye. Goodbye to your friend for now. Nakakatouch. Our Sophia is really a crying baby, so she's really crying. Pity her. Oh, say bye now, baby. Bye to your friend for now. But of course, for sure, you will see each other again. Yeah. And there's the train is coming. Ayan, this is a bullet train, I think. This is going to Korsrui. And she's so brave. Andrea is a brave girl. She's traveling alone back home. Yeah, so here is the train. Goodbye, Andrea. Pity Sophia. Say bye-bye. Yes. Bye, Andrea. Take care. Have a safe journey back home. And your mommy is waiting for you in Karlsruhe station. And she's traveling for 3 hours. I think more than 3 hours. Oh, but it is a straight travel. What a brave girl. Traveling alone and she's only 13. Wow. Nice. I'm not a brave girl, I think, when I was 13. She's such a brave girl. There's a lot of people now going in the train. So, bye-bye now. Andrea is also going to the train. Yes. She's going inside with her big suitcase. Yes, we really enjoy your company, Andrea, for 1 week. Come back soon. And also Sophia. Oh, she's walking there now. Inside the train, and we walk along with her. She's looking for her chair. Looking. Their picture. Andrea is inside and Sophia is outside. Bye. Sophia is lonely now. My baby Sophia is lonely. Lonely girl. Yeah, no friend. So she will sleep early now. No chit chat now. So there's Andrea. Bye, baby. Take care. Regards to your mother. Dear. Bye-bye. There's the train going to Karlsruhe. Bye. Bye-bye. That's a bullet train, so it is only few hours and she will be there already almost by the boundary of France. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Thank you. And now we will go explore Cologne with Love, Mark, and Sophia with their family. Bye. Thank you for watching.